Everyone, we are back with the fronts and it looks sick. They're not on, obviously, they don't stick out that far, but oh my god, this is it. But you can already tell what we're gonna have to do. Obviously raise it up and then we'll see where, because I can already tell I'm gonna hit the back and definitely the front because I don't have that much space whatsoever. But we'll get her on. This is super exciting. I've been waiting for this forever, 2 years. I'm super excited, but let's get these on and we'll figure out from there what we need to cut. I'm put the wheels on. I'll show you in a second, but I have to go back and forth in this thing. I cannot like turn, that's how. So right now we're going to Steve's so I can cut my bumper, and I'm gonna do the same thing, back up, go forward, go back up, watch. It's gonna rub. I don't know. Oh, I can hear it rubbing over there. Okay, we're gonna make it. Cool.
Might have to
So they're on. They work amazing. They look way better. But so we're putting these on and it rubs right there, kind of cut out a little bit right there, and it works. It rubs back here, right there. That's it. So I'll probably have to fix that one day, but it turns fine now. The rears look amazing. They don't hit anything. I was kind of worried for a second for the goose neck or whatever to be rubbing, but it didn't. And it sticks out quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but way better than it used to. But you saw that in the last video. But it looks clean, and they ride super quiet. Look at that. And there's a little bit of lip on it, but not too much. But that's fine. Yeah, it looks really sweet. Getting shots in. It's like perfect. And so too, the back is 40 and a quarter, and these are 39 and a half. So it kind of has a little bit of a rake in the back, but it looks good. So we just got them on, retorqued and everything. Everything's cut a little bit. We got to cut the back liner, just like I said. But this is just a freeway run going 80. And honestly, they're not loud. I mean, you can hear them, but it's not that bad. If I turn the radio up just like even a little bit, I would not hear it. And right now it doesn't even bother. I can hear my motor more than my wheels, the tires. They actually ride so much smoother, and I didn't really have to raise the front of my truck that much, so it doesn't ride like I was expecting. Like I raised it up to 39 and a half inches and 40 in the back. The 40, it's like 40 and a quarter on the back, so it has like a little rake, but not that bad. And the front looks like pretty much level. I mean, it's from if you like really stared at it, you could tell, but it's not that bad. But literally, it's not as like, it's like, I would say if it was 0, it's like what it was before, like totally 100% stock, and 10's being like a freaking log truck. Like any bump you hit, you're like bow, 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 bow. I would say it's probably at like a 3, maybe even a 2. It's not bad at all. Like it ain't raised that much at all. And even the CV axles and tie rods are like barely different than what they were. I mean, it's like nothing. So it's rides amazing. If you wondered, it's not that loud. I mean, I could probably turn up my radio up to like 10 and you wouldn't even hear the tires. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty sweet. Kind of, I was expecting a log truck and all this other crazy stuff and being really loud, and it's not. I would, if I had to, I would do it all over again, like in a heartbeat. So no worries there.